You are my
Champion!
You are my
Champion!
You are my
Champion!
You are my
Champion!
How was your school today?
My school was very exciting today.
How was your office today?
My office was very exciting today.
You should change the word. Each word you can't use every sentence again and again. If you use this again and again, then your sentence will lose the beauty. Okay, so you should use different type of word, different type of sentence. Okay, then your sentence will be healthy and beautiful. Okay, how was your breakfast today?
My breakfast was delicious today.
How was your office today?
My office was boring today.
How was your day today?
And my day was exciting today.
How was your lunch today?
My lunch was delicious today.
How was your tiffin today?
My tiffin was boring today.
How was your tiffin today?
My tiffin was boring today.
You can't use any kinds of filler before the sentence. You should use filler. After using filler, your sentence will be healthy and strong. If you make enhance, or if you enhance your sentence or a healthy sentence do you want to make, then you should use filler before starting. Okay, how was your dinner today?
Well, my dinner was very delicious today.
How was your dish today?
Well, my dish was very delicious today.
How was your shopping today?
Well, my shopping was very boring today.
Boring? Shopping can't not be boring. Shopping will be exciting or shopping will be dull. Okay, how was your shopping today?
Well, my shopping was exciting today.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. Are you ready to go? Okay, take it please. How was your day today?
Well, my day is very exciting today.
Okay, then you should say how was your game today?
Well, my game is very enjoyable today.
Repeat the sentence again please.
Enjoyable today.
How was your game today?
My game is very enjoyable. Was very enjoyable today.
Okay, thank you so much. How was your breakfast today?
Well, my breakfast was very delicious today.
How was your dinner today?
Well, my dinner is very delicious today.
You should change well every sentence. You can't use well. Okay. Paradoxically, you have to change the filler every kind of sentence. Before starting the sentence, well, of course, perhaps, as usual, normally, generally, then after using these types of filler, your sentence become a healthy sentence. If you make a healthy and a strong sentence, then you should use filler before starting the sentence. Okay, otherwise without using filler it is not possible to make a good sentence and rightly to do any kinds of sentence which you want to express your mind song. If you want to express your mind song properly, then you should use filler before starting the sentence. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright everyone?
Yes, sir.
Alright everyone?
Yes, sir.
You are my
Champion!
You are my
Champion!
You are my
Champion!
You are my
Champion!